Let's talk about frame rate. Whether you're making content for social media or just capturing memories, understanding frame rates and resolution is key to get best results. Frame rates refers to how many frames per second your video records. Your phone offers 24, 25, 30 and 60 frames per second. But what is the difference? 24 frames per second? This is cinematic standard. It gives that classic feel-like motion and is often used in movies and high-quality content. 25 frames per second is common in Europe and PAL regions and mostly used in TV broadcasts in the UAE and most of the Middle East. 30 frames per second is standard for online contents. It provides smoother motion, making it great for vlogs, social media, and general recording. 60 frames per second is a higher frame rate that provides extra smooth motion. I use it more often because it keeps me ready for any video I want to shoot, and I don't need to worry what type of content it is, since I can control the rate later. So which one should you use? If you want cinematic look, go for 24 frames per second. For smooth and natural motion, 30 frames per second is the best option. If you are in PAL region and you want to use your content in TV broadcast, use 25 frames per second. If you want flexibility in post-production, 60 frames per second is a great choice. Now let's talk about resolution. HD versus 4K. What's the difference? Resolution refers to the amount of detail in your video. Your phone gives you options like 1080p, which is HD, and 4K. 1080p or HD is a great choice for social media and quick edits, and can save storage space. 4K offer much higher detail, great for professional looking videos and cinematic shots, and future-proofing your content. The downside is it takes up more storage space and requires more powerful device to edit. Final tip: if you're shooting for YouTube or professional content, 4K at 24 frames per second is the great choice for you. For Instagram, TikTok and casual videos, 1080p or HD at 30 frames per second is a great choice. Always ensure you have good lighting and stable shots. Resolution and frame rate won't matter if your video is shaky and poorly lit. And that's a quick intro videography on your phone. Experiment with different settings and see what works best for you. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.